Recording the sewer here at 5515 33rd Ave Northeast. Date is March 17th, 2021. My footage thing is not cooperating with me. I was going to zero it out, but we can see where we're at there on the camera. We're at 90 feet almost exactly out from this point. I'm recording this from the basement clean out down here of the home. We are looking at the Seattle City main flowing by out there on 33rd. We're going to pull back from this point. We'll get a look at the whole sewer line. So everything back from here is the responsibility of the homeowner. Start coming back. 6-inch diameter concrete initially coming back, going almost immediately into 6-inch diameter clay tile pipe. So far, so good. Yeah. You're welcome to talk too, Ron. It's recorded for you. I'm making this for you. I should have said that at the beginning. Got any questions, give me a holler. Back into concrete pipe there. What are we, about 10 or so feet back from the main. I think we are still in 6-inch diameter. Got some roots intruding there on the seam of the pipe out, where are we at now, 60, about 20 some feet back from the center of the road. And back into clay again there. And there's our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shift spot. So we're moving from 6-inch diameter to 4-inch there. I'll pause the video briefly just to go locate where we're at on the property. Alright, we're going to keep coming back from there. So it looks like, what did we start at 90? We're back to 56 or 50, almost 57, so we'll call that 33 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. Now we're coming back into the 4-inch diameter stuff. So a little root there. And we've got a chunk of an old piece of cable in here.
Huh.
Fairly decent sized one too.
That's weird.
So at some point along the life of this sewer line, somebody was running the cable to clean it out, and their cable broke.
Huh.
So there's about 8-10 feet of cable stuck in the line. I'm going to locate where that's at while I'm doing my locates. I'll pause the video, we'll go check where this is at. Alright, we have located the cable out there in the front yard now. We will continue coming back from that point. Got a decent sized root coming into the top of this pipe there at that seam. Another little root trickling in there. Small offset there where the pipe's starting to shift a little bit, coupled with a root coming in. Probably the root contributing to that. Pretty good size offset there, holding a little water. Pipe's starting to separate between two joints. And up out of the cast iron pipe, or back into the cast iron pipe, I should say, right there. So that's where the clay transitions to cast. end the video there.